I think what's best about this job in the 309th is that it offers me as an airman a variety of jobs, of training. Not just anybody can come and do this job. You have to get trained into a couple different career fields to be able to perform this type of maintenance. And so it's really the pinnacle of the multi-capable airman concept. And I mean, what I love most about this job is that it's the variety. It's never really doing the same job over again. And it's a little bit slower pace. We're not on the flight line trying to get a plane up in the air right away. We can take our time, make sure we do it right, make sure the plane is 100% functionable.